I just got these new LED headlights from Lasfit. These are the 9006s to fit the low beam on a 2004 Toyota Corolla. Open these up, see how they look. These are 13,000 Lumen LED headlights to replace the factory ones. These do have the little computer piece in them to stop them from flickering and all that cool stuff. Pop this out. Here's our bulb design. Nice high quality housing. Feels like probably aircraft grade aluminum. Has the computer on these. A lot of these don't have it. The flicker's gonna drive you crazy. And then the plugs out here, which actually kind of makes things different, easier, because you're not trying to shove the plug into the light bulb piece. We're going to go out and show you how the original headlights look in the car. Then we're going to install these and show you the difference. So stay with us here, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. Okay, so we're out here on the hill. You can kind of see what's going. I finally got around to doing the video. And we got a little bit of a rainstorm going on, so you can see these aren't very bright. It's kind of depressing. I'm gonna get out and show you guys what they look like from the outside. You see the range of your view isn't very far. If it was brighter, had a longer beam, you could see something up there on the hill before you end up hitting it. There's the headlight in the car. You see on your cars, the outside one is the low beam, the inside one is the high beam. So that's standard on pretty much any of your cars that have multiple bulbs. This is my brother's little 04 Toyota Corolla. So we're gonna get these changed out and we'll show you what the LEDs look like. Okay, so my brother here, he's got the new bulbs. These are the low beams. Just don't drop your other O-ring gaskets there. So all you got to do on here is reach back there. Just turn out the old one, pop it out there. Like I say, these new ones, the plug not attached to them, a little easier. Rip that one out. And that new one will plug right in the housing, gives you a little more space to play there. And then if that fits too tight or too loosely, then you switch it out for the other set that's in the box there. Those too loose. Okay. So the ones that come on them are really loose on this car. There we go. So you just pop that right off. Then this bag has the tighter ones. They're a little thicker. Your dog found us. Pop them on there, just twist them, and it's in place. That's pretty simple. I've never had them that came with a second set of rings. The ones on my Geo Metro that I got from Oxido, they fit loose and just kind of flipped around in there. You gotta get them just the right spot or they don't like to turn in there. Oh, that made it fall off. Might have to turn it and put it on another 380 degrees. There you go. There, turn in there nice and tight. And get the other one. Now we know we pretty much gotta switch the O-ring piece out. A little wet out here. Puppies over here watching us. I hate electrical clips. Usually after a car gets old, they dry rot, and you go to unclip them and the keeper pops off, and then you're in trouble. Love the quality of these. They look really nice. Okay, they're installed. Okay, so you see now, I think our low beams look better than the high beams looked on the other one. Much brighter, cleaner, wider light, which is better for visibility. We can actually see up on that mound of the hill over there that you couldn't really see with the first ones. I'm gonna get out, show you guys how they look. You say it's a little stormy out here, so it's kind of hard. Yeah, I definitely couldn't see all up on that hill. Actually looks better with my naked eyes than it does on camera. And you remember those pale yellow lights? Can't even really look into these suckers, they're so bright. Really cool. Like I say, it's safe. A lot safer, keep your family safe. Give you further distance to see so you can stop before an obstacle. I really love these lights. I'd like to thank the people at Lasfit for letting me try these out. Like I say, these are the outside ones, so this is the low beam, and we're going to do the video on the high beam next. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.